Let's now focus on the worksheet itself. Here you might have noticed that we have different letters that go across the top. This is referred to as a column. Also, over on the left-hand side, we have all these different numbers going down the side, and these are all referred to as rows. Anywhere a row and a column intersect, this is referred to as a cell. And every cell in this sheet has a precise column and row location. And here, if I have this cell selected, if we look in the top left-hand corner, this is the name box. And this tells us the precise location. So here I see that this cell is E, which is the column, and 8, which is the row. Unlike a prison cell, I am able to move around this worksheet. You've probably seen me already doing this, but here I can click my mouse to jump into different cells. I can also use the arrows on my keyboard. I could press up, right, down, and here I could press left. I could also press the Enter key to go down. I'll press Enter, and there I go from cell to cell. If I combine the Shift key together with the Enter key, that sends me back up. I could press the Tab key, and that'll send me off to the right, and I can combine that with the Shift key to send me back to the left. To scroll down over on the right-hand side, here I could use the scroll bar to scroll down my sheet. Down below, I also have another scroll bar where I can move left to right. Now, it is kind of a pain going over to a scroll bar over on the side. You can also just use your mouse wheel. Here I could scroll my mouse wheel down and that brings me down, or back up and that brings me back up. But you might be wondering, well, how can you go to the side using your scroll wheel? Press the Control key together with the Shift key and then scroll your mouse wheel, and that'll send you right to left. To zoom in and out on your sheet, there's a slider down on the bottom, and here I could click on this icon to zoom in, or I could click on this icon to zoom out. But once again, that's a lot of work to move your mouse down here. Instead, we can use the scroll wheel on your mouse together with the Control key. Press the Control key and then move your mouse wheel back to scroll out or forward to scroll in. As you move your mouse throughout this interface, you can also right-click just about anywhere. Here I have cell E5 selected. If I right-click, this shows me a context menu with various commands. And right up on top, I see what's called the mini toolbar, and I could use this to format a cell. I could also right-click on the column, and here I see a context menu with various options. The same goes for row. And down below on the worksheets, I could right-click on this as well, and here too, I see a context menu for that sheet. So once again, you could right-click just about anywhere for additional commands.